The only competition you ever have is with yourself. That's when you doubt yourself. You can convince yourself of achieving something, repeating it over and over again until you beat your thinking. All these things that I do, you can do, and more. As you develop positive thinking, success replaces failure until you can no longer fail. Anything the mind can conceive and believe it can achieve. All things come to him who wants. Everyone has a different idea of what success is. I was convinced that if enough positive mental energy is sent out, things eventually manifest in the physical. If you know what you want, you can have it. Learn how you can play the game of life using positive thinking to win. Never entertain doubts. This nullifies all good, strong, powerful, positive currents. No matter your past or present, you can change your future. Step 1. Set a goal. Step 2. Never entertain doubts. Step 3. You can con yourself into anything by repeating it over and over again until one day it is incorporated into your thinking. The more you cultivate and control a positive attitude, the more successful you become. The truly successful person is a positive thinking one. We can learn why things happen to us, which places us in control of our fortunes. No person and no circumstance can disturb our inner peace. Fear and tension vanish when you use positive control. Heartache and headache are exposed and dissolved. With a positive thinking outlook, there is no failure, only a delay in results. You'll see it when you believe it.